Assemble valve disc with valve stem. Assemble valve screws. Insert valve stem into stand. Install crosshead on valve stem. Drive pin firmly into crosshead. Set link in position. Assemble stopper plates with hex bolts. Pull down stand. Connect the leak-off pipe to the stand. Tighten the castle nuts. Install lever support on stand. Set levers in position. Install shaft in place, then fasten hex nuts. Connect push rod to lever. Install shaft to connect push rod to lever, then put stopper plates in place, then fasten bolts. Install reamer bolt, then fasten hex nut.